Hey there, fellow drilling nerds. Welcome back to our living channel, Drilling Nerds, where we are always excited to share the best drilling tips and hacks with you. Today, we have a fantastic guide for you: how to change a table saw blade. It is a skill every DIY enthusiast and woodworking enthusiast should master. Alright, let's get right into it. The step by step process of changing a table saw blade. As always, safety is our top priority, so before you begin, make sure your table saw is unplugged and you are wearing the appropriate safety gears, including safety glasses and gloves. Step 1: Power off and unplug. The first step is simple but crucial. Power off your table saw and unplug it. We don't want any unexpected surprises while we work on it. Step 2: Raise the blade to its highest position. Now we want to raise the blade to its highest position. You can find the elevation wheel on the side of your table saw. Rotate it clockwise to raise the blade. Step 3: Locate the blade arbor lock. Here's the blade arbor lock. It is usually located beneath the table saw. Engage this lock to prevent the blade from spinning while we replace it. Step 4: Removing the old blade. Now, using the wrench that came with your table saw, loosen the arbor nut by turning it counterclockwise. Once it loose, carefully lift the old blade out of the arbor. Be gentle, we don't want any accidents. Step 5: Install the new blade. It's time to welcome the new blade. Carefully slide it onto the arbor, ensuring the blade teeth are facing forward. Then tighten the arbor nut with the wrench by turning it clockwise. Make sure it's snug but don't over tighten. Step 6: Disengage the blade arbor lock. Gently rotate the nut in a clockwise direction until it's securely fastened. Take a brief pause to inspect for any wobbling or movement. Now that we have kept the arbor lock in place for safety, it's time to release it, allowing the blade to spin unrestricted as before. Changing a table saw blade doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right know-how and a little love for safety, you can master it like a pro. Just a friendly reminder, drillingnut.com is your one-stop shop for all things drilling. When it comes to reviewing the top-notch power tools and drilling-related products out there, we have got you covered. Trust us to guide you through the clutter and uncover the best tools for a seamless drilling experience. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you found this video helpful, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay in the loop for more fantastic content.